So you may remember that Microsoft had something called the Surface Pro 3. It was probably one of the most popular products Microsoft has ever built on their own. A tablet that people quickly realized was an able MacBook Air replacement or a laptop replacement. So now Microsoft is following it up with the eagerly anticipated Microsoft Surface Pro 4. So we've got it here. We've also got the updated type cover. Guess what we're gonna do? It's unboxing time. Oh, look, they're teasing us. Where's the computer? Where's the computer? Darn it. All right, put that on there. So the interesting thing about the Microsoft Surface Pro 4 and basically all previous Surfaces is that they're really just tablets. They're not laptops until you get the keyboard, and they're not even sold together. This $799 device is really this. This Surface Pro 4 is thinner than the last Surface Pro 3. And why is that amazing? Because they still managed to make it thinner and not get rid of the USB port. This is a productivity device, so believe me, you're gonna be happy about that. So of course you've got this. Once again, there's your magnet, power cable. This is nothing special, nothing new. But what makes this a really good laptop replacement, of course, is the type cover. Put them together, thank God for magnets, turn it around. And if you've never owned a Surface, then you don't know it has a kickstand that is fully, I mean fully, 100% adjustable. What's really exciting about this is not only is Surface thinner, but they've made the screen bigger. It's got Windows Hello, which means you can log in with your face. So the Surface Pro 4 starts at $799. What I've got to find out is if the Surface Pro 4 is better than the Surface Pro 3 I've been using for every single day. You and me, we're going to find out.